Hey, it's Mike and I'm here at Payam Data Recovery watching a data recovery specialist work his magic on another challenging repair, a seemingly dead 2022 MacBook Air M2. When he connected it to his DC power supply, the current was already dangerously high. This confirmed that this was a short circuit somewhere on the motherboard. After removing the motherboard, he fired up his infrared thermal camera and injected voltage to see what would heat up. Almost immediately, one of the main MOSFETs lit up bright on the thermal display, suggesting that was the culprit. But here's where experience trumps equipment. He told me that even though the infrared camera was pointing to the MOSFET, his years of experience suggested it wasn't actually the problem. Most technicians would have replaced the MOSFET and called it a day, but he knew better. Instead, he used an ingenious technique I had never seen before. He grabbed freeze spray and targeted a small capacitor near the MOSFET. Then, while the capacitor was frozen, he injected voltage directly into that power rail. The moment he did this, the real culprit revealed itself. It wasn't the expensive MOSFET at all. It was a tiny capacitor that had failed and was causing the short circuit. The MOSFET was just getting hot because of the faulty capacitor next to it. He replaced the small capacitor and the MacBook Air came back to life perfectly. Without this level of experience, many technicians would have gone down the wrong path, replacing the MOSFET and potentially causing more damage. When your precious family photos and work files are on the line, experience really counts. With the hardware repair complete, the MacBook was then passed to one of their team to make a clone copy and back up all the files to a USB external hard drive to return to the customer. Thanks for watching.